Wow, it's a strawberry. Hey kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to trace and color the strawberry. We need green color, red color, yellow color and black color. Let's begin. Let's trace the strawberry with a black color just by following the dots. Strawberry has a red color, so we will color the strawberry with a red color. Okay. Coloring the dot with yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. This is green color. As for strawberry, yay, we have done it. Now subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.